Hey everyone, Mike here visiting the Payam Data Recovery Lab. Today, I'll be taking you behind the scenes as technician Samir works on a challenging case, a previously opened 500GB Western Digital external hard drive. This drive came all the way from Taiwan to their lab in Australia after another data recovery company deemed it too badly damaged and was unsuccessful. As Samir explains, we never assume previous work was done correctly. Samir carefully examines the drive for physical damage and missing components. Opening the drive reveals concerning scratches across the platter surface, indicating damaged heads and a head crash, a common but serious problem they address daily. Checking the other side of the platter shows it's relatively clean with minimal dust, giving us hope that there may be some chance of a partial recovery. Samir recommends a specialised head transplant procedure with approximately 25% chance of success. If approved, they'd focus on the most critical files before the damaged drive potentially fails completely. With platter scratches of this severity, Samir explains, success rates are typically very low. This damage usually results from impact. Perhaps the drive was dropped, which is common with portable devices. What sets Payam Data Recovery apart is their willingness to attempt difficult recoveries when others won't. Many competitors simply declare severely damaged drives unrecoverable without even trying, unwilling to risk the cost of parts and labour. Payam charges $500 Australian upfront with an additional $1,500 if successful, allowing them to use multiple donor parts and thoroughly clean platters to give customers a fighting chance even in these challenging cases. If the customer approves, Samir will give this recovery his best effort. See you on the next one.